what's up? This is Poke Crimson.
And this is Poke Gray here.
Alright, so I've been wanting to open up these Primal Clash packs for a while. There are 4 cards that I'm specifically going after, and they are the full arts for Kyogre and Groudon. Now there's 2 full arts for the regular Kyogre and Groudon, and then there's the Primal full arts for Kyogre and Groudon. And it'll be on the screen. So those are the chase cards. Hopefully I can get some of those, or all of them, to add into my collection.
That would be pretty awesome to get all of those.
Oh my gosh, that'd be amazing. So yeah, let's just sit back, enjoy the music, and just yeah, let's go ahead and open up some packs.
Take us away.
All right, so let's do this. Primal Clash.
He's been wanting to open him some Primal Clash for quite a while, so this is pretty exciting.
This is my first time opening them, so. Oh yeah.
Hopefully we can get the card trick right. we think it's 4 from the back.
Yeah. So I looked at the card list for the XY era, and Primal Clash is definitely one of my favorites. And all right, let's go. Cosmero. We have a repeat ball. We have double blade. Scorched Earth, Shroomish, Spheal, Cohort. We have Mudkip hiding under there. We have Feebas. We have Slugma. And we have a Reverse Hollow Igrand Spearlink. And so
The first one must have been the rare.
yep, so okay, so it's 3 from the back. Alright. Alright, so 3 from the black. Because like we opened up XY Breakpoint and there were 4 from the back, so we thought this would be the same, but alright. So Primal Clash is 3 from the back. And it's giving me a little. Alright, there you go. Alright, hopefully get some luck with this pack. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We have Seadra, we have Corvus, we have Bufflont, we have Vulpix, Rhyhorn, we have Volbeat, Spheal, card, Staryu, a Reverse Hollow Huntel, not familiar with this one, and a rare Ducati. Alright, let's go to the next one. Oh, come on. Let's get at least.
Now, do you have a chance of pulling one in all of these packs, or?
Like you were talking about, like, because the green cards, yellow cards thing. I don't know. These, I'm too familiar with Primal Clash packs. Alright, so okay, this is interesting. So we got a Tentacool. Interesting. Okay, almost like a full art, kinda. We have a Dive Ball. We have Whiscash. We have Menadai. That's pretty cool. We have Lotad. Bunnelby. Slugma. Feebas. Oh, look at this. Nidoqueen. Rare. Rare Ducati. Okay, so interesting. So that one had like 2 of those kind of type of cards. It was kind of almost like full arts. Interesting. Alright, come on. Now, if I were to choose my favorite card of all, out of all the full arts, out of both versions, it will probably be the full art Kyogre. I think it's a beautiful Pokemon. It's kind of funny because when I first played Pokemon Ruby, 3rd generation, Groudon was my favorite, but Kyogre recently has become a new favorite. Feebas, that's right. Lotus, Home-Edge, Steel, Reverse Hollow Marrow, and another Nidoqueen. Okay, rare. Interesting, so it's 2 in a row. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3. Alright. So, got another Nidoqueen's been popping up a lot recently. Morse Top, we have Bumblebee, another cool art. US, Skitty, Trico, I like Trico, Bumblebee, and a Reverse Hollow Teammates. I believe there's a full art of this. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay, so we got a full art trainer. We have Archie's Ace in the Hole. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Yeah, looks pretty buff there. Been working out. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, got a full art. Cool, cool. All right. So hopefully we get a full art, but for the Kyogre or Groudon. That is the chase card.
A little bit of wet in here.
2, 3. Alright. Escape Rope. Celio. Archie's Ace in the Hall, which we pulled a full art of. Trapinch. Nose Pass. Spinda. Horsey. Skitty. Reverse Digger's Bye. Kind of funny. And a rare Digger's Bye. Okay, so we got a double of him. Alright, so I got 2 more packs to go for this opening. Come on, just get one full art of Kyogre or Groudon. Either the regular or the primal versions. Either or will be fine with me. Okay, we got Seadra, Gorbis, Buffalon, so nice afro, Rhyhorn, Speel, Lotad, Bidoof, Staryu, Professor's Burst Observations, and a Ninetales. I do like Ninetales. Alright, last pack. Let's do this, come on. Let's get a full art, another full art. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I like the art on this. Morse Top, Bumblebee, another Bumblebee, Electrike,
Yeah, you just have a chance at pulling those kind of like half full art.
Yeah.
Weird looking cards.
Phoebus, Slugma. Okay, so we got a Reverse Hollow Ninetales, and a...
Oh, there's a Kyogre.
There's a Kyogre, but
not quite the one that you were looking for.
oh, this would have been nice to get at least a hollow one, but
Yeah.
dang. All right, well, that's what I got. So,
All right.
all right, great. You're gonna have to hit it home for us.
All right. Let's see what we can get here, guys. All right. First pack, we will start it off with a Kyogre pack. Let's see how this one. We open pretty easily. It was 3 from the back, right?
Yep, 3 from the back.
Alright, and we will start it off with one of those Electrikes, and then a Bumblebee, Marshtomp, Spinda, Nose Pass, Trapinch, Mudkip, Solrock, a Reverse Hollow Tangela, and a Wishcash. Weird. Half art cut. Alright, looks pretty cool. Next bag. We'll open it up like the box here. Let's see. Honedge, Electric, Reverse Hollow Slugma, and an extra drill.
Man, I don't think we haven't pulled the regular hollow yet.
Yeah,
Not even the regular hollow.
These packs just kind of crumble apart.
Yeah, that's what it seems from like XY. Or other packs are ready to open.
War Spirit Link, the Electric, Bumblebee. That Bumblebee is always after the Electric. That's so weird. Solrock, Illinois, Bumblebee, Lampearl, Staryu, a Reverse Hollow Untail, and a Ninetail. Alright. Another Kyogre pack. Let's see if we can get a Kyogre or Groudon for Crimson here. Back and freshwater set, a bus chicken, Lombrick, steel, Volbeat, a Rhino, Bullpigs, Rico, oh cool, a reverse hollow Sceptile, and a Probopass. That Sceptile is actually pretty neat. Thinks we got something kind of cool.
It's reverse hollow rare, so.
Good card in this one. A rare candy, Bibarel, a Bidoof, Bumblebee, Illinois, Solrock, Mudkip, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow Bibarel, and a non-hollow Greedle.
Come on, Groudon.
At this point, I'd like to just get a hollow a hollow card. You know, we haven't gotten any hollows out of these yet.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, they should have some hollows in here in this set, I believe.
Sure. There's a good card for you guys. Masquerain, Repeat Ball, Shrine of Memories, Shroomish, Steel, Mudkip, Phoebus, Slugma, Reverse Hollow Nidoran, and a Camerupt EX.
Oh, alright, nice.
Not bad. At least we got some kind of full art. Let's leave that up. We'll take a better look at those here briefly at the end, guys. You can see what we pulled. Nidoran, a Swampert kind of hollow, I guess. Pretty neat looking. And a normal Delphi.
Cool Swampert though.
Yeah.
Reverse hollow.
Alright, we got the last pack here, guys, with the Gardevoir art. Let's see if we can get us something nice for some last pack magic. Here is the last code. Alright, let's see what we can get. We've got a Scorched Earth, an Electric, Bumblebee. Told you that Bumblebee's right after Electric. Nosepass, a Spinda, Mudkip, Chinshu, Solrock, Aggron Spirit Link, Reverse Hollow, and a weird art Lucario. Or, you know, that guy.
Ludicolo.
Alright, well, that does it for my packs, and yeah.
So just to recap on what we pulled.
Oh yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys those. We got the full art Camera Putt XEX here. Looks like it's in pretty good condition, you guys. It's a little top heavy, it looks like. But that's a pretty neat card for camera put.
Yeah, then we have Archie's Ace in the Hole. So nice full art. Looks pretty.
It's a little bottom heavy.
Yeah, a little bottom heavy.
Archie's got a little bottom heavy. He needs to do more squats.
Yeah, and then we pulled these two holographic.
Yeah, they're like I don't even know. It's like half full art cards. I didn't know those were even in this.
Yeah, I was aware of these. I know these are common in the XY era. But yeah.
That wraps it up for what we've pulled in the pack openings for now. We do got some more of those to share with you guys here in the future, so stick around. And until next time,
Blasting off the speed of light.